Instant skincare. This is an amazing product. It's a vitamin C plus stem cell serum for your face, your hands. It even works around your eyes. And oh my gosh, I am hard to impress. I try a lot of different skincare products. People love, at age 55, companies love to ship me their products for me to try out. So I'm always really excited to try new ones. So thank you, InstaSkincare, for sending this. Like I said, I'm hard to impress, but wow, am I really, really impressed by this one. Like, look on my hands. Like, this is instant. And an hour later, I'm still seeing, I only did one hand. And I can still see that the wrinkles are nearly instantly gone on my hands. Amazing. I mean, it just looks so good. And when I put it on my face, I can feel it tighten everything. And the best part is it's cruelty-free, it's vegan, and it's dermatological tested, but not tested on animals, which is very good. So this is a fantastic product. It's good for brightening and age defying. That's what they say. It has hyaluronic acid. It's got aloe vera. It's got vitamin E oil in it. It's got all the good stuff that really makes your skin tighten and brighten and all of that. So it's going to improve your skin tone. It's going to improve the collagen in your skin, as well as diminish some of those fine lines and wrinkles almost instantly. So really cool, really good stuff. Love this serum. I also have their other product, which I love. I love their face moisturizer. It's a light tightening, but using this together with it, whoo, what a combo. Wow, I am so impressed. So once again, thank you so much, InstaSkincare.